that, big lad? Hey, want a piece of meat? Yeah? Is that nice? Is that nice? Yeah. Want another piece? So, want another piece? Yeah, okay. There you go. Is that nice? Is that nice? Talking to you, mister. Can I go back to your bowl? Put some in your bowl for you. Go in your bowl and have a look. Right? Talking to you. Go in your bowl and have a look.